Okay, I'm making a little video of my 2x72 homemade grinder. I'll just stay far away because the camera won't zoom in too well. You can see the flat platinum. Try to get in a little bit here. It's all homemade, all adjustable. This little rest comes out. All the bearings were homemade. Got 1.5-inch pipe and Schedule 48, just gas pipe, and put some bearings on each end, just ground them out a little bit to fit inside. Got this idler wheel here with an adjustment here. Got the pillow blocks with a 240 volt, moves to 2-horse 3450 RPM motor. Works really well. I had a 1-horse 1700. Didn't do what I needed. This works well. Got the little switches here. Just this little belt's got a lot of wobble to it. And I also have a contact wheel I made, around 8-inch contact wheel here. With the rest as well. Works pretty good. Made a few knives, like 11 or 12. Works good. Can't complain. Oh, I forgot this. Here's the adjuster here. Tensioner. The piston. Got a lot of these ideas off people on YouTube. Good ideas on YouTube.